So first, we're going to marinate this beef bulgogi. Beef ground beef pala. We're going to marinate it. So I'm going to put it in a bowl. Voila. And then ground beef. That's the ground beef. Then we will add garlic. Yan. Oh, I love plenty of garlic. Yan, garlic. Imamarinate natin to with about 30 minutes. Yan. Garlic and then onion. Yan, onion. And then we will add soy sauce. Ano ba yung soy sauce natin? We will add, oh, my soy sauce I did not, that is garlic and onion. And garlic, onion, and then we will add soy sauce. And soy sauce. We have 1 or 2 teaspoon soy sauce. 2 teaspoon soy sauce. Ayan. Soy sauce. We will going to marinate it for 30 minutes before igisa. And then meringue sauce. Ayan yung meringue sauce, guys. Ayan. Meringue seasoning. So, we mixed it. Pag na-mix na natin lahat, guys, igigisa natin to aking ground beef bulgogi para sa aming dinner. So, ayan. Lagyan pa natin ng black pepper. Yan, black pepper lalagyan natin. Tapos, imimix natin. Then, let it for 30 minutes marinate. Yan. So, yan. Halo-halo natin. Halo-halo. And then, let it for 30 minutes. So, ayan guys. Lagyan natin ng oil. Yan. Painit tayo ng oil. So, lalagay natin yung na-marinate na ground beef. Ayan, halo natin dyan. Gigisa natin yan. So, ayan, gigisa na natin sa mainit na mantika. Ayan. Sulod-sulod natin siya. Bango na. Bango-bango. So, lutuin natin siya hanggat maluto. Ayan guys, luto na yung ating bulgogi ground beef. Ayan, bulgogi ground beef natin. So, bago kumain, lalagyan ko ng sesame oil, tapos sesame seeds, at saka green onion. Yan, sibulyeno. So, lalagyan ko yan. Sa ngayon, we just let it cook like this, and then hindi pa naman kakain. So, antay natin mamaya at ilalagay natin yung last natin na mga ingredients. So, enjoy guys! Ayan, habang antay tayo matapos ang ating bulgogi ground beef, naggagawa ako ng tinulang isda. Ayan. Kasi gusto ko pag malamig ang panahon, mayroon akong tinulang isda o tinulang baka or pork, ganon. Pag winter, halos araw-araw, yun ang kinakain namin soup. Ito na yung ating ground beef bulgogi. Tikman natin. Ang sarap. Ang sarap. With rice, siyempre. Bon appétit!